Hello everyone, today we have this TISSOT. It belongs to my friend and she wants me to see if I can clean it up or polish it a bit, make it seem a bit better. As you can see, there is a lot of scratches on it, a lot of wear and tear. So let's see what I can do. First thing, I will take off the bracelet. Most of the tools that I use are cheap tools from AliExpress or maybe Temu. I will link them down below if you want to try it out yourself. Oh yeah, it needs a cleaning so bad. Second step, I need to take out the movement. As you can see, it's a quartz watch. But first I'm gonna remove the stem from it so I can get it out of the case. And yeah, the dial is in perfect condition. I've put all the metal parts through my ultrasonic cleaner. It does a good job in cleaning most of the dirt, but there is always some left on the watch, so I go over it with this wooden stick. I use a wood for it because it doesn't scratch a watch more than it has to. So yeah, let's clean this. I don't know why, but there is something so satisfying in cleaning it this way. Yeah, what's your favorite watch? Comment down below. For a year or so, I'm into Seiko watches. I got a lot of those old vintage Seikos from 70s. Yeah, and now the clasp. There is always a lot of dirt in the clasp because of the sweat and it's so close to the hand, so I usually take out the glass from the case, but I saw on some YouTube video that you can cover it with this thermal tape so you don't scratch it while you're sanding the watch. So I'm gonna try this. And it might be easier, I don't know. Now the sanding part. This usually takes about hour or so. I'm gonna cut the video so you don't have to watch it all. But the process is you sand it and just see if the scratches are gone. The sanding blocks I got from Temu. There will be a link down for them if you want to try it. It does a good job in removing most of the scratches. The deep ones you can get, I'm not sure. Maybe if you do it for a longer period. And now the polishing cloth. The same thing as sanding, you just move it up and down, so the watch gets this old shine back. This is, I think, from AliExpress. If you have time, subscribe for more videos. It means a lot. Thank you. And this is a poly watch. I use it to remove scratches from the glass of the watch. Same principle, put some in it and move it in circles. Also it can remove most of the scratches, not the deep ones though. And that's about it from the cleaning. Let's just put watch back together and see the results. Does it work? Let's see. It ticks. All good. This watch has a press-on case back, so I have a tool for it, but I'm gonna try it, use my fingers to see. I think I can push it down. And yeah. Now let's put the bracelet back on. And we're almost there. Just a bit longer and you will see the results. Like new, I'm satisfied how it came out to be. Tell me your opinion down in the comments. Most of the scratches are gone, as you see. And thank you for watching. subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.